Before we begin, let's first check if your panel is online or not. If the Wi-Fi icon or the cellular network icon flashes continuously, it indicates that your panel is no longer connected to the internet. If the cellular network icon appears steadily, accompanied by the cloud, it means the panel is connected to the cellular network. You can then skip directly to the next section. If your panel is offline, we are going to temporarily link it to your phone to re-establish the connection. Go to Settings. Then select General, and finally About. We are going to temporarily change the name of your phone to 4sconfig for the duration of the configuration. Don't worry, you can put the original name back once the tutorial is finished. Return to the main settings page. Then access the Personal Hotspot section. Replace the current password with configuration. Turn on Maximize Compatibility at the very bottom of the page, and finally turn on the Allow Others to Join option. The next step takes place on the control panel. Press any button to turn it on. At the top of the panel, locate the menu button and then hold it down for 3 seconds. Press it a second time. Then press the valve opening button to initiate the connection. The control panel will now temporarily connect to your cell phone. The final step is to connect the control panel to your Wi-Fi network. To do this, we are going to go into your system settings. Open the Presence app. Select your system and then press the 3 dots at the top right to access the settings. Then press Settings at the top of the page and then scroll down to the Network Settings section. Press Scan Wi-Fi and select your Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and press Save and Update. The panel will then connect to your Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi icon will start flashing, and then a cloud will appear to confirm that the panel is indeed connected to the internet. The Wi-Fi configuration is now complete. If you have any questions or require assistance, we invite you to consult our online support website or contact us by email or telephone.